Hi guys, it's Sandy here. I know I haven't done a makeup look in a long time, even though I'm a beauty channel, so I thought, okay, now that it's festive season and Christmas is coming up, let me show you the look that I plan to use on Christmas Day. I never actually tried out this look, so it's something new that I just thought, okay, let me just try out. So let's hope for the best. If you're new here and you're looking for South African beauty and lifestyle creators to follow, do make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm going for kind of a nudish, sparklish eye and a bright red lip for Christmas. I've already done my base, so we're just going in straight with eyeshadow. So first I'm going to use this warm brown eyeshadow and I'm packing it on the inner corner. And we're doing the outer corner. So I'm kind of going for a halo eye type of thing. You know, I don't do these often, so I thought, it'll be a good idea to try that out. Comment down below how you'll be spending your festive season / Christmas. Oh, by the way, I do celebrate Christmas because I am Catholic. So if you're wondering, now you know. So comment down below what your holiday plans are. I just plan to spend my time with family like I do every festive season. This brown is looking a bit weird. I wonder if my brush was actually dirty. In theory, this look that I'm doing should be very easy. I'm just gonna blend that out. I don't know why I hardly do makeup videos on here, but those of you who follow me on TikTok know that I post makeup videos almost every day on TikTok. And sometimes I don't even post the pictures of those looks to Instagram. I don't know why. I'm just better at making the TikTok videos and doing the looks on TikTok than I am in YouTube. And I feel like nobody watches my makeup videos on YouTube, but everybody wants to see a 15-second makeup video of makeup that took me 6 hours to do. Yeah, hey? Then I'm going in with a dark brown and we're going to put that over the warm brown, like so. And let me know down below in the comment if you want to actually see me do more makeup videos on YouTube. If ever I do makeup videos on YouTube, it's usually because it's a review, and then I'm just gonna soften this out. I'm really bad at halo eyes, by the way, so this comes out good. Then I'm going to put a bit of gold down on the center. Most of the makeup looks that I do in videos and stuff, it's the first time I'm doing it, hey? It's the first time, so I really just hope for the best when I do these things. Oh, I hope this comes out good. Okay, that is really gold. Okay, but we're just gonna put that on the center. Then I need to blend around the edges. Then I'm supposed to take a loose shimmery type of gold and put that on top of that. It looks like I need to blend out the edges again. And then this look requires a loose glitter to go on top of this glitter. So I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills loose glitter in the shade Frosted with the Anastasia Beverly Hills glitter adhesive. I literally haven't used this stuff in such a long time, so let's hope for the best. I wanted to use a glitter with a gold reflex. I think this is the one with a gold reflex. It's so hard to tell. So I'm going to put some of that adhesive on my lid. I absolutely love the smell of this glue. It smells like perfume. So I'm going to put some of that over here. It's a little bit. I think this is blue, right? I think this glitter is blue. I don't think it's gold. The name is a giveaway as well. Frosted. No, this glitter is blue. This is not my gold glitter. I need to go fetch my gold glitter. Okay, I think this is the gold glitter. It's called Glisten. Yeah. You can see it's really hard to tell which glitter is which color. Yeah, this is the gold one, eh? this is the gold one. So we're just gonna like put a little bit of that on the eyelid. Wait a minute. Is this gold? How do you know? I really don't know. Oh my goodness. This thing is so messy. Oof. These Anastasia Beverly Hills glitters. Oh my gosh, that's to die for. Like if you invest in some of the Anastasia Beverly Hills glitters, you'll never need to buy like loose glitters ever again in your life. I'm questioning whether this was the gold glitter. It looks very multicolored to me. Then I'm going to do my under eye with that warm brown. And I'm gonna put some gold in the center of my bottom lash band area to line up with the top. Geez, there's 3 types of gold on my eyelid. A bit of that loose glitter on the lash band as well. Gonna add a bit of highlights to my inner corner. You can honestly like stop with this look after just putting like 1 layer of glitter. I was just being extra times 3 to use 3 types of gold on my lid. Then I'm gonna go in with mascara, and I'm using the Essence Lash Princess mascara. For lips, I'm using this Essence Matte Red lipstick in shade 06. I got this in the Matte mystery box. It's a gorgeous true red, and because it is Essence Cosmetics, it's very affordable for everyone. I love matte lipsticks. And then I always just highlight this little area here. So I'm just gonna pop on some lashes and I'll be back. And I wonder if you know how it really feels to be left outside alone when it's cold out here. And here we go. This is the final look with lips done and my lashes. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed that video, and I wish everyone watching this a happy festive season, a Merry Christmas if you're celebrating, and I hope everyone has a wonderful time with friends and family. Also, I hope that everyone remembers to stay safe during these times, especially in South Africa with a second wave approaching, nearing its peak. You know, practice your precautionary measures and, you know, avoid travel unless it really is essential. You guys know all the things by now. Just please practice it and stay safe. And again, just a huge thank you to everyone that's been supporting me throughout this year. We have reached incredible things here on this YouTube channel, especially on my TikTok, and I'm extremely grateful to you guys. And let's just continue having lots of fun and good vibes in 2021. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to follow my socials, which will be linked down below in the description, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!